Okay, welcome to the video on how to winterize your hose bibs. So the first thing you want to do is find your outside hose bib. There's going to be two of these on most units. If you're on an end unit, you may only have one of these. So locate the hose bib, and the first thing you want to do is disconnect any hose attachment or anything attached to the frost-free fixture. This little plunger here is what makes the hose bib frost-free, and when you put a hose on there, it pushes that up. So remove any hose, disconnect it. That's your first step. Then what you want to do is just open the hose bib, so that it's running. Now with the hose bib running out front, you can see this shutoff is in the on position. So you're going to find these hose bibs labeled with a tag like that. And so the next step you want to do is it'll tell you location front. So you want to turn that off, and you can hear the water stop running. So that's now in the off position. Okay. Now we'll go back out to the hose bib and make sure the water stopped flowing. So we're back out at the hose bib now. You can see with it in the open position, there's no water. There's just a little bit of water dripping out. So that confirms that we've shut it off. Leave this in the on position, and it'll continue to drain. And I'll show you why we leave it in the on position in a second here. Alright, so we're back at the hose bib here. We don't hear any water running. We left the hose bib open in the front. And the final step to winterizing these bibs, and it's one of the most important steps, because depending on the elevation of the hose bib versus the shutoff, we might have some water trapped in that line. So on the bottom here, located right here, is a drain. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a cloth ready. We're just going to crack this open. And you may want to grab a Tupperware container or something like that. And you'll hear some gurgling. That's draining the rest of the water out the front of the tap. That's why we left it open. And that'll gurgle for a few seconds. And then we're going to probably get a few drips here. See, there we go. So we got a few drips of water. So we just let that drip out until it stops. And I personally like to leave these little drains off. Just a little bit more water, but yeah. You can leave the drains in a safe spot. And make sure you replace that drain before you turn the water on next year, because once you turn this back on, water is going to flow out there. So if you want, you can just replace the little drain, snug it up, not too tight. And now you've successfully winterized one hose bib, and then just move on to the next one. Thanks for watching.